welcome back to my video. And today we are in my bedroom and we are going to do a little makeover of my glam table. Finally. You guys probably do also, but wait, let me just close this window so we still get this gorgeous sunlight, but less noise. Let me close the door as well. Now I'm done. Welcome to my bedroom. Today we're filming in my bedroom because I don't know if you can see over there, but that is my little zone of Glamzone. And if you're looking to have a glam room, then lucky you. But I have a little glam zone that I set up for myself on the old fireplace, which does not have fireplace anymore. And it was the only corner that I could put my stuff on top of something. And so today I want to show you my makeover of my glam table. Which girl doesn't need a glam table, right? I mean, table is probably not like the best word. Glam, my glam zone, yeah. So today I went shopping a little bit. Actually, for the past couple of days, like I've been trying to brainstorm like what kind of color scheme or what kind of theme I want to have going on my glam zone, because it's where, you know, I start my day, I sit down on this high chair that I'm sitting on and I do my makeup, and it's the only time during the day that I can literally just focus on myself and making myself look the way that I want to be presented. And I just find it so important that that table represents like who I am. Not to the max, but you know what I mean? Like it should in some way scream that this is Yoonhye's glam table. So I was planning to go for something like super white and color coordination and something that is very raw looking. And then I went around different stores in Marseille. And Marseille is actually, I don't know if you guys know, but it's really well known for a city of arts. And so there's all these small little streets that you can find that sells like antiques or like incredible lighting installations or like really interesting like pieces. So in Marseille, we can find all these like small little stores that has like a curation or a selection of like different interior items or vintage items or like props that you can play around inside the house. And it definitely has that French touch that I love. But unfortunately, not all stores are super affordable to my budget. And so today I set my budget minimum 50 euros, which is around like $56, to maximum 100 euros, which would be like $110, $112. And I ended up, in contrast to my original idea, I didn't just go for super white stuff. I ended up going for something very sort of pottery looking objects that I can play around, but that were matte. I don't know, for some reason I just felt like going very terracotta and then kind of going matte with everything. I think it's just the mood that I'm in with like being surrounded by nature and like coming over to France and always seeing the nature. And so I ended up doing a curation from two different places. One is a really cute store that I found near to my house, and it had so many different interesting things that you see probably right now or in the intro. And then whatever I couldn't find, I went to a super budget friendly store, which is a nationwide franchise called Monoprix. And then I just filled up the rest of the trays there. So I'm gonna get started with my makeover of my glam table, and let's get to it. this is the left side of my glam table, and that's my mirror right there. And then this is the right side. I try to make it like super natural, but since I do have some stuff that I actually need to do my makeup, I would say that I ended up making it a little bit more messier than I wanted, but this is way more cleaner, and this is just the essentials of what I need. And so we've got this really cute vase right here, and the only color of flowers that I could match, that I could find today, was this one. It's a little too much, I think, but I still like the contrast. And I have this like really small candle holder that I think it's really like gothic-y but unique. And then I use my bangle to put on hair accessory, and I have this really cute like clam looking dish that I'm just gonna use for accessories. And this is actually for eating eggs in the morning, I think, like half boiled eggs, but I'm gonna put my bureau right here. It's perfect. And then I have my skincare, and then I put my sunglasses, and these are some of my eye makeup mostly that I use these days. And then on the right side is more like white, and I have this thing. I actually really have no idea what this is for, but it's really like cute like stone material, and I'm just gonna put really small earrings, and I only have 3 in there right now, but I will definitely fill it up. And then I'm gonna put some of my hair accessories. This, I think it's also a candle holder that you can hold like this, but I mean, it serves my purpose, so it's perfect for my little hairpins and clips and a little lip balm. And then I have this dish. I think this one was from IKEA, but then I have my brow kit and my little hand cream from Chanel, and my highlighter. And I have some of the base makeup that I use, and then I put all of my brush into this mug. Actually, the name of this product was a mug, and I'm using the mug as my brush holder. And then I have this huge candle, and the only reason, oh my god, I bought this was because I love this marble, and I will probably use it up fast so I can use the inside to put more of my stuff, because I actually haven't put any lip stuff. But as of now, I'm super happy with this. Last but not least, I have this hair headpiece, and I am just going to place it in the vase if I can, like that. Isn't that cute? Woohoo! Done. And for some reason, our owner has all of these really ugly fake flowers, so I'm gonna get rid of this. And my little tripod.
저기요, 네.
We are good.
좋아.
Can you imagine me doing my makeup here? Yes, I totally can. Don't ask me why I am filming 2 of my videos on the same day, so I'm wearing the same outfit as my laundry day video. But if you haven't checked that out, check out the link right here. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I will be back with more awesome content from France for you guys. Au revoir.